The next big AI job boom is not in the cloud. It is happening on devices, your phone, your car, even medical machines. And most people have no idea this shift is creating massive career opportunities right now. This shift is called Edge AI, and it is creating a brand new job category that barely existed 2 years ago. The market has grown from $8 billion in 2024 to over $30 billion in 2026. And companies around the world cannot find enough qualified engineers. So what is Edge AI exactly? Instead of sending data to the cloud for processing, Edge AI runs artificial intelligence models directly on devices. Think smartphones, IoT sensors, autonomous vehicles, and medical equipment. This matters because it solves 3 big problems: slow response times, privacy concerns, and poor connectivity. Here are 3 roles that are growing fast globally. 1. Edge Milliliter Engineer. You take large AI models, sometimes 10 gigabytes in size, and compress them to run on small devices. This requires deep technical skill, which is why it commands high salaries in every major market. 2. IoT AI Solutions Architect. You design AI systems for smart cities, industrial sensors, and connected devices. You decide what processing happens on the device versus in the cloud. 3. On-device AI Developer. You build AI applications for mobile and embedded systems. Key frameworks include TensorFlow Lite, Apple Core ML, and ONNX Runtime. Why it is right now such a good time to enter this field? New AI chips from companies like Apple and Qualcomm are making on-device processing faster than ever. Privacy laws in Europe, Asia, and North America are pushing companies to process data locally. These trends are creating perfect conditions for Edge AI to grow rapidly. To get started, focus on mobile development, iOS or Android. Then learn model optimization techniques, hardware constraints, and Edge Milliliter frameworks. Real-world applications include medical devices that diagnose conditions offline, autonomous robots, and next-generation smartphones. Edge AI is a perfect combination of artificial intelligence, mobile technology, and IoT. Companies globally are struggling to find enough qualified engineers. Subscribe to stay on top of emerging tech careers.